After doing your practice with the strong acid, the HCl, you'll be ready to titrate a soda. The soda contains weak acids, so that means we'll need to dilute the NaOH. Dilute the base. This is a schematic for what you'll need to do. You have in the burette your 0.50 molar NaOH. You use that to titrate the HCl. To dilute it, we want to dilute by a factor of 5. So here's water in a beaker. Here's the concentrated NaOH. And if you mix 10 milliliters with 40 milliliters, you end up with a total of 50 milliliters. That's a 5-fold dilution. 10 milliliters became 50 milliliters, so the concentration is 5 times lower, which is exactly what you want. This is what it should look like. 40 milliliters of distilled water. Into the beaker it goes. So now I'm going to add from the burette 10 milliliters accurately measured. I can use the numbers on the burette to do that. Watching the lines, watching the lines, watching the lines. And when I get to the right spot, I will slow it down and stop right there. So this is now my diluted solution of base. It's important that you stir this, otherwise the dense 0.5 molar solution will just sit at the bottom and it won't be mixed in. So stir it well. Highly recommend that you label that solution. Clearly you can't tell by looking what's in there, so put labels on your beakers. We have lots of colorful tapes and Sharpie markers on the buffet table. So this is what I'll use to titrate the soda. The 0.5 molar would be too concentrated. This will be just right for the weak acids that are in the soda. The instructions will tell you to replace what you have in the burette with your 0.10 molar solution. So to do that, best way is just to drain what you have. That's the more concentrated base. Just drain it till it's empty and then put your diluted base into the burette. When you refill your burette, make sure it's closed to start, and then you can fill with your base solution.